most people have a hard time uh, in working on Upwork, because that there is a too much competition over there, and people there are too many people applying on YouTube, Upwork every day, and because it's getting very hard for people to start their online journey with Upwork. And because that I've been saying on different places repeatedly regarding freelancing, power of freelancing, and how it can help you in earning money online and generating dollars online. And because people are asking that they are not able to be successful on Upwork regardless of how much effort or work they put in, because people have limited connects to start on, and because they do not have much investments to put on, and that they are looking for more and more work, and they get failed because they said that we don't get featured, or we don't get the our bid do not win it, and we often lose it. So because that why you lose it, I believe that there are actually 2 to 3 things which play a lot of part. But before that, I wrote a quote somewhere that 85% matters your presentation skills and 15% matters your technical skills. So more than your technical skills, it matters how do you present your skills. So in presenting skills, I believe that your Upwork profile and your how do you bid on different jobs, that matters a lot. So for the profile, I would have a different day on how you can get 100% mark on Upwork. But today I want to discuss about a perfect proposal for winning the contract. So because that even in choosing job, you need to point out that because you have limited connection, every job is not good for you. So you need to be very concerned in selecting a job, because that sometimes there are clients who do not have their payment verified, and in case if you are limited on connects, I do not recommend applying for those jobs. And I would recommend to apply on detailed jobs, where a client is asking for more detailed information rather just a small that we need an expert on this thing. So if there is a project which is more descriptive, that can be winning for you with the bid I'm going to suggest. So this video is more about a perfect proposal to win your Upwork job. So you guys have to stay with me, and in front of you guys I will select a job and I will answer it. And that is actually more of a in my opinion, that is more of a how you can win it. So please, so let's stay with me and get started on this. Okay guys, so let's say I'm going to apply for this job, and that is they are looking for SEO advisor and SEO Rush expert, and it looks like probably a 15-minute job they are asking. So that is a more descriptive project, because client is asking that they are starting an online dress business and currently using SEO Rush to analyze what we should promote in our product page. I found on SEO Rush that the keyword square neck dress has an incredibly low keyword difficulty and around 1300 average visits, see traffic, and my website is mylbt.com, and I like to target this keyword for this dress attire. Because the KD is easy. Do we need on-site SEO? What else is required from the website to rank for that keyword? How long it will take? Just need your advice, so I'm in the right place. So it's just that I have to give them an advice, and based on the client experience, that a client is from Australia, has 277 jobs already posted, 9K plus already spent, and $28.75 average hourly rate already paid, and belongs to smalls and marketing company. A small company, 2 to 9 people. But because the client has a positive review, 4.8 of our 42 reviews, which means that the client is actually a good client and it's worth working for this client, regardless of even if I win the job or lose the job. But that my description or my proposal should stand out of the different from other people. So I'm going to submit the proposal for this. So what I'm gonna do is, here I can find out the name of the client through reviews, that the Kenny is the name of the client. Okay, so I'm going, because I now know the name of the client, I'm going to start with the name of Kenny. Okay, and I'm going to do a few research, and will pass on my opinion as well. Okay. So it's not a good idea to copy paste our specific proposals for everything. So the more customized the proposal, it's going to be a more winning ideal situation for everyone. So okay, so I'm going to write Kenny. I'm going to start with her name. Okay, I'm also going to open the website. and I'm also going to open the job posting on the other page, because the idea is not to send as many jobs as possible, but the idea is to be send limited but yet good proposals, which are more of a winning proposals. So I also like to see this attachment. And this is the domain. Okay, and I'm now waiting for the attachment to be downloaded. Okay, so that is a square neck, you know, uh, she said square neck dress. Okay, so I like to see the position. I can use any tool for to analyze the position of the website, but right now let's manually analyze if it's ranking. But it's better to even use preferably any software which can tell. Although the website is not ranking, let's just analyze the general ranking of this website. Because I'm using SEMrush again here, because that is my favorite tool, and you will also see the link of that in the description section. Okay, so because it's a new authority score 3, it means it's a new website and do not have any much data over here. So I need to tell her that it's not basically that SEMrush is to analyze, let's see my proposal on this. Is my okay, in the first part I discussed about what is happening with the site, and now I'm going to suggest a proposal on how to get it sorted. Okay, so that in 4 points I have suggested a formula to get the client's website ranked, and now I'm going to give her the silo structure variation of articles, because I'm using a tool which automatically suggests me and gives me good ideas. So I'm going to show to you that it's giving me an option. So I can give her 4 uh, article topics for silo structure. 1 2 3 4. Okay, so I'm using a tool which automatically gives me a good idea of relevant keywords, and it also tells me about the SEO difficulty and off-page difficulty. So I have suggested her with few other options, and now I'm going to add my own some words I have even using here. Okay, like just to mention, I am a Google Ads certified, Facebook Ads certified, and Google partner with around 12 years of experience. I'm also going to insist that let me know if we can get a call with Calendly and this, and I would help you further. Okay, so it's actually over delivering, because that she just asked for my opinion, and usually people give opinion because once if someone is selected for a job and then a person gives opinion, but I'm already giving them my opinion and suggestions even before they hired me. So that is an over delivering, and that concept can make you a winning person on any place. So with this, I'm also like to say that okay, I'm going to end my points here. In case if I have to give her more authority, I can share my experiences certificate, so that she can be sure that I'm a really certified individual which is trying to help her. So I also did this. So this is a perfect winning formula in my opinion, because that is a more customized proposal rather than a generic proposal, and that is actually, I believe, that is a winning formula. It doesn't require you any good English, but rather actually helping the client, that the client will now see my proposal, that she will see that I have written a customized proposal and I haven't copy pasted something. So she will be like, yeah, that is a more serious and better option, and that is actually a winning option in Upwork. So just follow these and you will be actually able to win a proposal on Upwork. And so good luck, and make sure to subscribe to my channel. And which part of proposal or something I missed, I like to listen to your feedback, opinion through comment section. And thank you, bye bye.